Hi everyone. Let's see. Let's find a pattern that just speaks to us today. That's the one. It's called Merin. Merin. Let's zoom way in. She's got. These are from Alina Light's pattern cards. We've got a triangular shaped, and then we're going to do two more like leaf kind of a things, triangular shaped, leaving a space. And then here we're going to fill that in and there. And here is how she's got it in a mandala, which is always nice to look at. I'm not sure that that's how I want to do these, but we will see. We'll see what comes out of my pen. Let's do. Let's do something with watercolor. I've got a piece of watercolor paper. Let's do. I do one. Two and three. Then we can add something there. We can add something there. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. So, pen. We are going to come up and make a long triangle like that. Come up and make a long triangle like this. Up and make a long triangle like that. Something like that. And then coming out of here, we're going to do one and two. And two. One and two. One and two. One and two. One and two. Okay, I've got them all intertwined. Then this one comes like this, kind of a Y. All right, I've got them sort of intertwined. going to erase my pencil because I don't want that there when I do some watercolor. What kind of watercolor am I doing? I don't know yet, but we're just feeling watercolor today. Okay, let's put down a piece of paper towel because I'm probably going to make a mess. Although I could change my background because I haven't changed it in a while and it's getting kind of gross, so may do that as well. Do I want to do ink tints? Yeah, let's do ink tints. Got my Derwent ink tints. Just have a small package of those. Let's do some ink tints in a couple of green colors and maybe a yellow. Okay, I've got these ones. The sun yellow, the sherbet lemon, apple green, and field green. And I am going to just put these colors. I think I want the yellows and the greens on the triangle bits as like bright. And I'm not being super like coloring in because I am going to activate it with water. It'll move around. It's kind of bright. It's a different color, but it kind of looks the same. Like that maybe. And then a haven't decided what's up and what's down, but it's kind of deciding on its own. Something like that. And then a bit of water. You know, I'm just going to spritz it. And let it kind of just do its thing. Okay. It's just doing its thing. And then I think I'm going to put a bit of a dark color behind with my actual watercolors. Maybe this one. Now that it's really wet, let's put one for my red palette. Whatever color decides it's going to present itself. Come on, spritz. Ugh, I need a new spritzer. There's nothing coming out of that spritzer. It's just clogged. There is no water coming out of that whatsoever. All right, so we'll just pour some water. And do that one. Let that soak in. Get me a little brush. Maybe this one. Ooh, that was a lot of water. Okay, that's wetter than I had anticipated. We'll soak up some of that water. That's better. Oh, making a mess. Making a mess. That's what I do, make a mess. I want... Ooh, how did that get there? That drip shouldn't be there. I want this in the background. Make a circle. Something like that. Should I have let that dry in between? Yep, probably should. Did I? No. No, I didn't. Okay. What did that do? Did that do anything interesting? Yeah, it did, but that circle isn't circular. Can I do this and figure out where a circle should be from the middle of that? Okay, that's further out. It should be way out there. And that should be way out there. Okay. So I need to actually go a little bit more this way. Kind of even that out. That's better. All right. I guess that's it. Who knows what that is going to do when it dries? I don't have any other water here to wash my brush. Wash my brush. That's empty. That'll work. That will work. I need to bring myself a container of water in here for crafting, don't I? All right. Well, that's what it is. Whatever I just did is what it is. Why did I feel like I needed it to be wet? I don't know. I may go back once it's dry, because right now is not the time to do it. But I may go back in here and make thicker lines. Maybe I'm just going to do it. I'm going to do it while it's wet with a water-based pen, because that will make it bleed, and that's okay. Just a little bit of like shadow. That. All right, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Could I still futz with it? Yep, I could futz with it. Am I going to futz with it some more? Maybe. Am I going to futz with it some more right now? No. We're going to just leave it just like that. I'm not sure I like it, but that's okay. Sometimes you don't like your work when you're finished, and other people might love it. There might be somebody who goes, "Oh, that is just my aesthetic. I love it." It's not mine. I got, that's too dark. When it dries, I could go over the top of it with like a lighter colored pencil, which I may do. But we'll see. Or I might just leave it just like that. I didn't sign it before I spritzed. Let's see if I can sign it down here without it going really bad. That's good. That's good. Okay. All right. You guys have a blessed day. I will see you on the next video whenever that turns out to be. I have a dentist appointment this afternoon, so I've got to go get ready for that. I will see you later. You guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I'll be back. See you later. Bye-bye.